What happens if a driver hits me while I am on a bicycle? If a driver hits you while you are riding a bicycle, you may have an injury claim. But the outcome often depends on fault, evidence, insurance, and deadlines. These cases can get complicated quickly because the driver or insurance company may argue that your own actions helped cause the crash. That can seriously affect the claim. Right after the crash, it is important to get medical care, make sure the collision is documented, and preserve evidence like photos, witness names, damage to your bicycle and gear, and any video. The driver is generally supposed to stop, stay at the scene, share identifying and insurance information, and give reasonable help if you are hurt. Insurance companies often focus closely on your statements and medical records, so it is wise to be accurate and careful. If the driver is legally responsible, the claim may include medical expenses, lost income, pain and suffering, and damage to your bicycle and equipment. Also, do not assume insurance talks protect your rights forever. There is usually a deadline to file a lawsuit, and waiting too long can destroy the claim.